friends, this week is all about line. We are going to learn about op art and how you can use line to create a work of op art, like these here. So for your op art, you have two options. You can create this wavy line artwork, and you can also create an op art checkerboard. So first I'm going to show you how to do this. You need just a piece of paper and a pencil and maybe some markers or colored pencils to color it. For this project, you do not need a ruler or anything straight. So what you're going to do is draw 4 wavy lines across the paper, just slow waves, but it doesn't matter how you do the waves. Just don't draw like this, because that will be very complicated. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's fun if you vary them a little bit. And then you're going to go vertically, you're going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now what you're going to do is crisscross wavy lines in each of these spaces. So at this point, if you have a colored pencil and you want to help yourself to keep your lines separated, you can do that by just maybe lightly tracing or maybe going over this line 2 times to make it more obvious. This kind of helped me not to get confused. Just lightly trace. And then what you're going to do is do a crisscross, a wavy line crisscross in each of these spaces. Again, not too wavy, just a slow wave. See how it already gets complicated. Now, if you would rather draw one and then color it and then go to the next one, you can also do that. So by that I mean stop here, color this first row, and then go to the second row. All right, so now you're gonna choose 3 colors, and you're gonna leave the top triangle in each row blank. So the way I did it was I just colored every space on the left first, then all the bottoms and all the rights. So you can see where this is our first row, and so, or you can do it this way, so I know this is my next space. And then here's my next space. Also, if it's easier for you, you can just color all three colors first before you move on to the next one. So this is probably the easiest way to do it so you don't get confused. So there's one, two, and so you would just keep going in every space, and then when you skip to the next row, just do the same thing, leave the top one white, and then do the same three colors for the next, all the next spaces. And then when you're done, it looks really cool and wavy. And so as part of OPart, OPart is creating an optical illusion. So here we're creating this optical illusion that the paper is wavy, even though it's not. The second option for creating an OPart is a OPart checkerboard. So for that, you need a ruler and a pencil, and you're going to make a checkerboard. So you can also use something else straight that you find in your house, and I'm just gonna make 1-inch marks on the top. You can also use the width of the ruler, do 1-inch marks at the bottom. And connect those. And then I'm going to make some inch spaces going across the other side. I'm using just the paper in my sketchbook, but you can use whatever paper you want. So now that we have this, I'm gonna add 3 circles. So I'm gonna use these cups. You can put those right in the middle. Two. And they don't have to be even, they can be uneven too. Okay, so now, this is how we're gonna color it. You're gonna get 2 markers and you're gonna color this like a checkerboard, so alternating colors. So first, I want you to do just the outside here. So ignore the middle. And whenever, if we get to the circle, we're only going to color the part that comes up to the circle. So I'm using violet, orange. So then if my circle is here, I'm only gonna color the part that goes right up to the circle. So if you want to mark these spots for you, so we'd go violet, orange, and this space would be violet, and then this space would be orange again. So I can also just mark it like this: violet, orange, violet. Now, this space is violet, then this space has to be orange, violet, orange, violet, orange, violet, orange, violet, orange. This is orange, this is violet again, orange, violet, down here, the reverse, orange, violet, orange, violet, orange, violet, orange, violet, orange, violet, orange. This is orange, violet, orange, violet, orange. So 2 colors can't be of the same color, can't be next to each other. So we know these have to be like this. Okay, and then you're just going to color. Okay, so when you get to the circle, you're gonna do the opposite. So, for example, orange is my color here. Now, because there's a line from the circle, I'm gonna switch. And I'm gonna go to the other color. And again, I'm gonna switch. And in the next row, so there's orange here. So then we need to do violet here. And then go back to orange, but remember when you hit a line, you stop and you would switch. So then this would be orange. This would be violet. And this would be violet up here too. Okay, so there you have it. Looks pretty cool. If you want to, you can use a black color pencil and you can add shadow underneath. There you go.